Good morning, dear students. In the previous class, I told you that once the trial was over, Antonio won the case, and therefore the Duke of the city told Antonio that he should pay something to the young lawyers. Portia refused to take money. In that situation, Bassanio says, "Dear sir, of force I must attempt you further. Take some remembrance of us as a tribute, not as a fee. Me two things, I praise you, not to deny me and to pardon me." Since Portia refused to take money, in that situation, Bassanio requests Portia saying, "Dear sir, it is my request that take something as a token of love from us to make you remember that you had fought our case. Don't consider it as a fee." Therefore, he tells Portia, "Grant me two things. First one, I request you not to deny the gift or not to deny me the token that we are willing to give you. And secondly, for asking you for the second time, please forgive me." Portia says, "You press me far, and therefore I will yield." Portia tells Bassanio, "Since you are requesting me, you are making me to take something, therefore I will oblige." And to Antonio she tells, "Give me your gloves, I will wear them for your sake." He turns towards Antonio and she says, "Please give me your gloves, and for your love I will wear those gloves." And then she turns towards Bassanio and tells, "And for your love I will take this ring from you. Do not draw back your hand. I will take no more, and you in love shall not deny me this." So Portia is well aware that when she had given ring to Bassanio, he had made promise that he would not give ring to anybody. Therefore, now since situation has come, she wants to test Bassanio. She asks for that particular ring. Since she says, "Do not withdraw, do not tell not you are not going to give me the ring." She says, "I will not take anything else. In love, what I want is only your ring. Please do not deny me for this." And Bassanio says, "This ring, good sir, alas, it is a trifle. I will not shame myself to give you this." Bassanio wants to escape the situation. He too is aware of the promise that he had made to his wife. Therefore, he is trying to trick Portia. He says, "Sir, this ring, it is not of any value. It is not good." He says, "I don't want to give you this ring. By giving this ring, I myself will put myself into shame, because this ring does not have any kind of value." In that situation, Portia says, I will have nothing else but only this. And now methinks I have a mind to it. Portia tells Bassanio, I don't want anything else. What I want is only this ring. And she says, now already I have determined myself. And now methinks mean I have already thought of. I have already made up my mind. I want only this ring, nothing else. Then Bassanio says, there is more depends on this than on the value. The dearest ring in Venice will I give you, and find it out by proclamation. Only for this I pray you, pardon me. Bassanio is caught up in a very bad situation. He himself had asked Portia not to deny him. First one, that she should take something. Now she wants to get the ring. Now he is caught up, and therefore he says, there is more depends on this than on values. He says this ring's value may be less, but there is lot which depends on this value ring, because he knows that their relationship was mostly based on that ring, because she had told him, the day you will depart from this ring, you will see that Portia is not part of your life. Therefore he says, you ask for any costliest ring of the Venice. Yes, I will get it. I will make the proclamation. I will announce it to the people that the best of the best ring should be brought. But he says, only I request you, I pray you, pardon me, please forgive me, that this ring I cannot give to you. Then Portia says, I see, sir, you are liberal in offers. You taught me first to beg, and now methinks you teach me how a beggar should be answered. Now Portia is playing mind game. She is telling to Bassanio, you are so liberal that you yourself made an offer that you want to give some gifts, and now you have taught me. You have taught me first to beg, and now you are teaching me, you are making me to understand that beggar has no choice. You are not, first you told me to beg, but now you are not giving that ring. This means beggar has no choice. So she is playing mind game with Bassanio. So Bassanio is not able to make a proper decision. In that situation, Bassanio says, good sir, this ring was given me by my wife, and when she put it on, she made me vow that I should neither sell nor give nor lose it. Now at the end, Bassanio has to speak the truth. He tells in a very straightforward way to Portia that during his departure or on his wedding ceremony, his wife had given him a ring, and that this ring is the same ring, and there she had made me to take a vow or make a promise that neither Bassanio would sell that ring nor he will lose it at any cost, and therefore that ring has become very precious for Bassanio. Portia does not get convinced. She says that excuse serves many men to save their gifts. I told you students that see, Portia is playing mind game. She says this kind of excuse all the men make just in order to save their gifts. They don't want to give the gifts, therefore they will give such kind of lame excuse that this ring is given by my wife, this ring is given by my mother, therefore I cannot give to anybody. And she says, and if your wife be not a mad woman and know how well I have deserved the ring, she would not hold out in me forever for giving it to me. Well, peace be with you. Portia says, if your wife is not mad, if she comes to know that how well this ring was supposed to be given to Portia, means to the judge, she should never mind. She will not get upset, she will not get angry, because according to Portia, she deserves it, because she has worked very hard to give justice to Antonio. At the end she says, if you don't want to give me this ring, well, peace be with you. Go in peace. God bless you. But if you want to give me gift, I want only the ring. In that situation, Antonio interferes. He says, my Lord Bassanio, let him have the ring. Let his deservings and my love with all be valued against your wife's commandment. So Antonio tries to convince Bassanio, saying, my dear friend, let that ring be given to judge or Portia, because she deserves it. And he says, because of the deserving and the love, that affection that Antonio has towards Bassanio, both should be valued together against the commandment of his wife. The order that his wife has given not to sell, not to lose this ring, that should be not valued as much as the love of Antonio and the deserving of judge for doing the great work. Bassanio says, go Graziano, run and overtake him. If you canst, unto Antonio's house, away make haste. Bassanio obeys Antonio. He tells Graziano, go, run as fast as you can and overtake him. If you cannot bring him to Antonio, at least go and give him this ring, so that he should not go from here disappointed. He says, come, you and I will thither presently, and in the morning early will be both flying toward Belmont. Come, Antonio. At the same time, Bassanio tells to Antonio, come, both of us will be also present in your house early in the morning. Both of us will fly towards Belmont. And with this Act 4, Scene 1 comes to an end. Very good ending. Shylock lost the case. Antonio won the case. Bassanio wanted to give the gift. Therefore, Portia has asked for ring. He is caught up in very bad situation. He does not want to get departed from that ring. Antonio convinces him. At the end, he sends Graziano to give the ring. And ring is given, but Portia and Nerissa do not come to Bassanio's or Antonio's house to have party with them. At the same time, Bassanio tells Antonio that next morning they have to go to Belmont to See there, see Bassanio's wife. Dear students, I am sure that I have done justice to teach you all Act 4, Scene 1. I have taken 8 classes of this scene in order to make you understand. If still some of you have any doubt, please do not hesitate. Ask me. I will be always there to help you. God bless you. Have a nice and wonderful day. Thank you.